Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sharifah Afika binti Syed Malik. I'm a teacher and part-time student at OUM. My student ID is 9809201450900001. Today, I would like to present speech presentation. This is a part of my task in English subject for oral communication. The purpose of my speech today is to share about the growing popularity of halal food in Japan. Japan is a developed Asian country considered Islam as one of minority religion. According to a report from my foundation in Japan, the number of Muslim population is 2,300 in 2019 and only 50% of the total population of the country. However, the number of Muslim population is growing and expected to increase as the demand of overseas tourists from a Muslim big country such as Malaysia and Indonesia. To attract more Muslim travel, the Japanese government has been making continued effort by implementing policy and introduce halal market. According to a research written by Muhammad Janwar Rizki and Shabitul Amina, the aim of halal market is to cater Muslim needs such as Muslim-friendly dish and meals, Muslim-friendly hotel and mosques and public facilities Yes. On the other hand, halal food can be easily be founded in a big city such as in Tokyo and Osaka. In Osaka, the famous restaurant among Muslim travelers is Honolulu Ramen, Osaka Yakiniku Banga, and Naritaya Halal Ramen. Meanwhile, in Tokyo, the halal restaurant that serve Japanese cuisine, including Tendon Isuki, Asakusa Sushiken, and Halal Ayam Ya Ramen. The popularity of halal food has been making Muslim travelers feel more welcome as Japan offers halal food option. Nowadays, when we come to Japanese restaurant, there are halal food options such as halal food menu. On the other hand, the convenience store is a famous place for a tourist craving a quick bite. As I already mentioned earlier, Japan is a country with a few Muslim travelers need to be more extra careful when buying or choosing food or product in a local store. Usually, in a local store or supermarket in Japan doesn't sell halal certificate or international product. Ingredient checking is the key when to find halal food. To determine the food can be consumed is read the ingredient. I also want to share apps used by a Muslim traveler for finding halal food in Japan. There are several halal food to find halal food such as Halal Japan, Halal Navy, Halal Gourmet Japan. These apps not only a listed halal product but introduce barcode scanner for a convenience Muslim traveler to find food more easily and faster. Lastly, halal food not only for a Muslim consumer but Japanese consumers are becoming more aware of health benefit of halal food. Many consumers are becoming more aware of health benefits of halal food that typically free from addictive and preservative material. Japanese consumers are also concerned about ethical implications of food choice and seeking out more sustainable and human food options. The food that sell in the convenience, as I already mentioned, doesn't have halal certificate and international product. So when Muslim traveler enter the convenience store, we can see all the product or the food is written in kanji or Japanese word. So the barcode scanner function is to help Muslim traveler to read the ingredient in English translation. For example, when I go to the Japan, I want to find halal food. So when I enter the convenience store, because convenience store is everywhere and easier place to find food. So when I go to the convenience store, I can see that many product of food that have pork. So I use this app, for example Halal Japan, and use the barcode scanner to scan the product. When I scan the barcode scanner, I can read the ingredient and it can the product will tell whether the food or the product, the meal, is halal, haram, or tab. So this method allows us as a Muslim traveler to choose the halal food that encouraged by our religion. So it's not a problem whether we go in the country, not a major. In a nutshell, even though Japan is a small country with small percentage of Islamic religion population, but their effort to market the halal food is really impressive. As when a Muslim traveler go, there are many food options halal menu. This show that other country with minority Islamic population have shown interest in halal food, this is the opportunity for us to introduce the halal food that really good and clean for our health.